everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the general settings in the Read&Write browser extension. This will be a basic overview of the settings and looking at the settings that don't relate to the specific Read&Write features. To access the Read&Write settings in the browser extension, make sure the Read&Write toolbar is firstly open. Then click on the three dots to the far right side of the toolbar and choose Settings. Firstly, you can create profiles for using Read&Write. This can be useful if you're a staff member who helps students who require different accessibility tools. You can create up to 8 profiles, and within these, you can change the settings so you have the preferred layout for each student each time. You can see here that I've got 2 example ones, and when I click on them, they change to show exactly what I've set for each student. You can choose settings for various features such as the text-to-speech tool, prediction tool, talk and type tool, rewordify tool, and the screen masking tool. Please watch the videos for the specific features you want to use to find out more about the settings for that tool. The Language tab lets you select the language you use in general and what language you want the features to use. So here I have it set as English, but if I was to choose French, you'd see straight away that it changes everything into French. The Features tab lets you choose your preferred tools and remove the ones that you don't need from the toolbar. This can be useful for staff when using the profiles, as you can change the features shown for each profile. So here it's just a slide tool. You can go through, say I didn't want dictionary or picture dictionary, you can see that they disappear from the toolbar. And when I click on them again, they reappear. So when I go back to the profiles, I'll show you, for example, student 1, I've just set it to have the text-to-speech tool and the translator tool and the talk and type tool. For student 2, I've only got the text-to-speech tool, I've got the picture dictionary, prediction, and a few other tools. So you can set that differently for each of the profiles, which is really useful. The Theme tab allows you to choose whether you have light theme, dark theme, or the systems theme. Again, this can be really useful when you have multiple profiles and want to set different preferred settings for each profile. I've got student 1 set as light theme and student 2 set as dark theme. Finally, the Accounts tab will have the name of whoever is signed into the computer you're using. This does not change when you switch between the profiles, and it should allow you to sign in to another computer and still access the preset Read&Write layouts, such as the profiles, toolbar features, and themes that you've set. So I'm signed in as myself. When I go to Profiles and I switch to Student 1, I go back to Accounts, I'm still signed in as myself. So that is the general settings in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thank you for watching.